Okay. What is your name?
My name is Amit Yadav.
Can you please tell me something about yourself?
My name is Amit Yadav. I am from Kausambi. Currently, I live in Prayagraj at Allapur. About my qualification, I have done intermediate. Apart from this, I am learning English speaking course. As far as my family background is concerned, my father's name is Mr. Hemandar Yadav. He is a farmer, and my mother's name is Mrs. Sangeeta Yadav. She is a homemaker, and I have a brother and a sister. About my hobbies, I like to read. I like reading newspaper and playing cricket and watching movies. About my aim, I want to become an NDA officer. That's all.
That's good. You told about yourself, and you said that you are learning English right now.
Yes, sir.
Where are you learning English?
I am learning English. English World Prayagraj by Dilip Kushwaha, sir.
Why do you want to learn English?
I want to learn English because English is very necessary in our society or in this country. If you don't know how to speak English, you can't go anywhere. Uh, if you want to go to foreign, you should come. You should know how to speak English. In private sector, if you want to get job, uh, if you want to get job, English is very important in private sector.
It is all right. You said it is, but I'm asking you especially why do you want to learn this? What is the reason behind it? I know we know very well that it is very very important. Everyone can eat.
Yes.
But what is the reason behind? Why do you want to learn English?
I want to learn English because I want to I want to become a NDA officer. In NDA exam, English is very necessary. Without English, you can't qualify this exam, and English 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 is very necessary in our society, and uh, English.
Okay, you just tell me something, about NDA. You said that you want to be an NDA officer.
Yes, sir.
Why do you want to be an NDA officer? You can do something else.
Yes, sir. I want to be NDA officer because it because it is a good job. It is not a job. It is emotion, and I want to be. I made his goal in 10th standard, and and uh, I think that I can serve more to our country in the exam than other job, and and uh, and so
Okay, if you talk, if we were talk about your, academic qualification,
yes, sir.
when did you complete your intermediate?
I completed my intermediate in from Radhe Sam Singh Inter College, Kanali, Kausambi, Uttar Pradesh.
When did you complete?
In 2022.
In 2022.
Yes, sir.
What were your subjects?
My subject are physics, chemistry, math.
Okay, what is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject math.
Math. So, are you good in math?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's good. When did you come to Prayagraj?
I come to Prayagraj in 2023
Why did you come to Prayagraj?
uh, because I came to Prayagraj because I want to get job, and uh, and I want to become a successful man. So इसलिए I want to come here, come Prayagraj, came Prayagraj.
Okay, that is why you came to Prayagraj. But
Yeah.
you said that you are from Kaushambi.
Yes, sir.
There are also many coachings. You could prepare from there.
No, sir. There are coaching, but not good coachings. Prayagraj is a educational hub, and I prefer to come here.
Can you please tell me something about Prayagraj? What do you know about Prayagraj?
Prayagraj is a very good city, and it is a famous city. It is a historical city, and it is a religious and holy place. Prayagraj has Sangam. Sangam has three rivers: Ganga, Yamuna, and Saraswati. Ganga, Yamuna, and are visible, and Saraswati are invisible. That place, Ganga and Yamuna and Saraswati meet. Which place Ganga and Yamuna Saraswati meet, that place is called Sangam. Sangam has Akbar Fort. It has Achhawat. It's 5,000 year old. Sangam has many temples like Bade Hanuman Ji, Mankameswar temple, and Navlakha temple, etc. Sangam, Sangam, Sangam Kalpawasi came in fair, and they do Kalpawas for 1 month, and in Sangam every year Kumbh Magh Mela is held, and every 6 year Ardha Kumbh Mela is held, and every 12th year Kumbh Mela is held. Prayagraj High Court. High Court. Every state has one High Court, which is in Prayagraj. Prayagraj High Court takes big decision of country, and there are many lawyers who who solve cases, and they give justice for people to people. Mm, and there are many gardens in Prayagraj, like Company Garden, Khusro Bagh, Bharadwaj Park, etc. If we talk about Company Garden is a beautiful garden. It has Azad Park, in which our freedom fighter Chandrasekhar Azad shot himself. And if we talk about Prayagraj High University, if we talk about university, Allahabad University, and many. If we talk about Allahabad University, Allahabad University has many branches like CMP and Jagat Taran Vishwavidyalay, and in Allahabad Vishwavidyalay is very
University.
sorry, Allahabad University is very famous in country. Student come here and studied there, and get success in field like medical field, engineering field, and become an IAS, PCS, and get higher post. Student a student a form apply for Allahabad University. So Allahabad University is very famous university. Is very famous university, and there are Prayagraj have many bridges. If Prayagraj have many bridges, like New Naini Bridge, and Syam Prasad Mukherjee Bridge, Karjan Bridge. If we talk about New Naini Bridge, its real name Syam Prasad Mukherjee Bridge. It is stand only two pillar. Uh, it tell it tells us two importance of science, especially physics. And
Okay, now please stop.
Yes,
I will
sir.
ask you some more questions.
Yes,
Okay, you
sir.
told so many things about Prayagraj.
Yes, sir.
I will have to ask some more questions. You said about Company Garden.
Yes,
It
sir.
is a historical place.
Yes, sir.
Okay, there is Azad Park.
Yes, sir.
Why is Azad Park famous?
Azad Park famous is because, sir, our freedom fighter Subhash Chandra Bose.
Subhash Chandra Bose?
No, sorry, sir.
Chandrasekhar Azad.
Chandrasekhar Azad shot himself that place. So, Azad Park is famous.
And you also told about Naini Bridge. It is a very famous.
Yes, sir.
Why is Naini Bridge called Selfie Point?
Because, sir, it is a beautiful bridge, and it stand only two pillars, and support by cables, and it is a uh, very good it is beautiful bridge, so it is famous, and it is called Selfie Point.
It is also called Suicide Point.
Yes, sir.
What do you want to say about this?
Because, sir, uh, it is built very high. If you in this time many person face many problems, and which who doesn't control himself, they took decision, and they he jumped from there.
Prayagraj also has given many famous person.
Yes, sir.
Do you know about them? What do you know about them?
Yes, sir.
Please tell.
If we talk about Bollywood, Amitabh Bachchan was born in Prayagraj, and if we talk about poet, Harivansh Bachchan Rai was born in Prayagraj, who is father of Amitabh Bachchan. If we talk about
You said about Harivansh Rai Bachchan.
yes, sir.
Can you tell me any poem of Harivansh Rai Bachchan?
I studied, but this time I not
What do you say? Who is
remember.
father of Harivansh Rai Bachchan? Who is father of Harivansh Rai Bachchan?
I don't know, sir.
You don't know.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you know what about Amitabh Bachchan? Who is father of Amitabh Bachchan?
Harivansh Bachchan Rai.
Harivansh Rai Bachchan is
Yes,
the
sir.
father of Amitabh Bachchan.
Yes, sir.
But you don't know his father of Harivansh Rai Bachchan. I
Yes.
also don't know. Okay. As you said that you came to Prayagraj to study.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and you know very well Prayagraj, it is a costly city.
Yes, sir.
Many students come over here. They have to pay a lot of money for room and also to study. How do you manage all these things?
I manage, sir, because my uncle and I have two uncles who support me, and I will manage. I manage.
Okay. How many members are there in your family?
And there are 13 members in my family. I have joint family, sir.
Okay. What is your father?
My father is a farmer.
So he does only farming,
Yes, sir.
nothing else.
Farming, animal husbandry.
Okay. So when you will complete your education and you will get a job,
Yes.
what would you like to do about your family? Yeah, you know, for your family, what would you do for your family?
Yes, sir. I would like to do my family. Uh, I support.
Many people are there, you know, very well.
Yes,
They
sir.
work a lot and they get job and they do something for their family.
Yes, sir.
What about you? What do you want to do for your family?
I support them, and uh, I support them, and uh, in some days I will buy I will ca- I will buy house for them, and I want to that peace. I want to that my family is running good.
Okay.
Yes.
You came to Prayagraj to prepare for NDA.
Yes, sir.
Did you join any coaching when you came here?
Yes, sir. I joined a coaching for NDA.
Where did you go?
I joined coaching in the civil line at civil line Thrissur Defense Academy. Yes, sir. But uh, I joined for 6 months, but I went to only 2 months. Then I joined online coaching from Delhi, the Coast Defense Academy.
Okay. You said that you joined coaching and you took the package of 6 months. How much money you paid that time?
I paid sir 25,000.
25,000 is huge amount.
Yes.
And you went only for 2 months. What
Yes.
was the reason behind it?
Sir, because I thought I want to do from here, and so I left it.
Okay. And right now you are attending online classes.
Yes, sir.
According to you, online class is better or offline?
Yes. If you are regular, then online class is better, and online class is better. If you not regular, so I can't say. I can't anything.
You came to Prayagraj in 2023.
3.
23. 23. 23, okay?
Yes.
So, please tell me something about in 2 years, what did you feel? 2 years, yeah? 23, 24, 22.
23, sir.
Okay, in the last year you came over.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so please tell me something about your 1 year experience of Prayagraj.
I have many experience. I know about I knew about city, Prayagraj city, and I know about how to manage here, and I knew about importance of money, and and uh, I developed myself and my mind, and I wandered here many places. And
Right now you are living at Allapur, am I right?
yes, sir.
So Allapur is so far from here.
Yes, sir.
So far, it's I think near about 12 kilometers.
Yes, sir.
How do you come?
I come by bicycle, sir.
By bicycle. Don't you get tired?
I get tired, but I don't get tired.
Okay, from starting you are living at Allapur or you are living somewhere else?
No, sir. Before 1 week, before 1 month, I lived in Sulem Sarai. Uh, After that, I will go there. I want to go there.
Why did you go over there? You were living at Sulem Sarai. In this coaching is also near. And you went to Allapur.
Sir, I have 2 partners, and I have one cycle, a bicycle, and my partners coachings this side, and 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 their course 1 year or 2 years, and my course only 2 months. So I came there.
Okay. So what do you want to tell about this coaching? How many days have you completed?
I have completed 40 days.
40 days. So please tell me something about your 40-day experience of this coaching.
My 40-day experience of this coaching is very good. I know many rules and I read many things before 1 month. I can't speak English, and I can't read easily books. This time I can't. I can journal talking, and I can understand books. I can teach small students, and I read many things like used to, should, can, could, have to, start to, and many things. And sir,
Okay, yes, you said that you learned so many things from here.
yes, sir.
What would you like to say about this coaching? What would you like to advise people, those who want to learn English,
Yes, sir.
they should come here or not, and why they should come, and what is your opinion about it?
Yeah. I like this coaching that you is you practice very much to a student. So a student should practice more, and then they will be speak English very fast.
Okay, you have near about you have almost for 2 months. So 50 days you have, almost 2 months.
Yes, sir.
What do you think that what will you do in 2 months?
What, sir?
You have 2 months near about,
Yes, sir.
What will you do in 2 months? What is your expectation for this coaching in future?
Yes, I have 2 months. Uh, I fully believed that I speak well at last, and I will be good speaker, and uh, yes, sir.
Okay, now I will ask you some questions related to GKGS.
Yes, sir.
Who is Prime Minister of India? Do you know?
Yes, sir. Mr. Narendra Modi is Prime Minister of India.
What do you know about Narendra Modi? Can you tell me something about Narendra Modi?
Yes, sir. Its complete name Narendra Damodar Das Modi. He was born in Gujarat, and he become he became 3 time Chief Minister of Gujarat, and before 1 month he take he took his third uh, third
Oath, Sapath.
third oath of his journey of Prime Minister.
Okay.
Yes, sir. He is a good Prime Minister, and he is doing well for our country. He is and
Okay, it is already. You
yes,
tell
sir.
me who is the President of India?
Mrs. Draupadi Murmu is President of India.
Can you please tell me something about Draupadi Murmu?
Yes, sir. Draupadi Murmu was born in Odisha. Draupadi Murmu is first lady to become first lady Adivasi Mahila.
First year. Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Tribal lady.
First tribal lady to become a Indian president. Yes, sir, and he is a good prime minister and president.
C is good.
C is
Who is CM of Uttar Pradesh?
Mr. Yogi Adityanath is a chief minister of Uttar Pradesh.
What do you know about Yogi Adityanath?
Yogi Adityanath was born in Gorakhpur, and before he was priest, and this time he also priest, and he doing work well, and uh, he is very aggressive man, and
How many states are there in India?
there are 28 states in India.
What is capital of Tamil Nadu?
Tamil Nadu. Chennai is capital of Tamil Nadu.
And capital of what is capital of Assam?
Dispur is capital of Assam.
And what about Arunachal Pradesh?
Arunachal Pradesh. Itanagar is the capital of Arunachal Pradesh.
Okay, that is good.
Yes, sir.
Who is CM of Delhi?
Arvind Kejriwal is CM of Delhi.
Okay. Please tell me something about Arvind Kejriwal.
Arvind Kejriwal before he was IRS officer, and he is a intelligent and he is an intelligent person, and he is a good CM, and he is a good politician, and he do many works in Delhi. He he built he built many schools and hospitals, and he uh, he 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 drive he drive buses free
He
for
started.
farm. He started buses for ladies, free buses,
That's it.
and many things.
I want to ask you. You came to Prayagraj to study, and there are many students.
Yes,
They
sir.
study. According to you, what is most important to get selection?
Consistency is the most important to get selection, because there are many students are studying, and in this time mobile is mm, mobile is disturbance in a student, very big disturbance in a student life. So many student aren't many student don't constant. So if anyone constant, they get selection, they will
Mobile
get
is good for students or bad?
both.
How it is good and how it is bad? Then
If you use for good things, it is good, very good. You get top teachers in lowest cost, and you teach them, and you get selection easily. And
you
if you,
study from them,
yes sir,
not
if
teach.
yes sir, if you if you use bad for bad work for unnecessary, this is a very bad, and many, almost 80% it bad use of bad.
Okay.
Yes sir.
So according to you, students should use cell phone or not?
This time use but with limitation.
As you said that you also means you want to be an ND officer.
Yes.
Suppose that you don't get job,
Yes.
you don't qualify. What is your next plan?
My next plan, sir, SSC CGL and CDS.
Are you preparing for that?
Yes sir.
What about the syllabus of SSCGL and NDA?
CDS.
CDS.
Yes sir. SSC CGL, SSC CGL, you can get job after graduation, and in CDS you can get job after graduation, and syllabus almost same, but CDS CDS is held 5 days interview SSB, and it is a tough.
Okay. Do you teach students?
Yeah, I did teach students.
Sorry.
I taught a student, but this time I don't teach a student,
Why don't you teach this time?
because before 1 week I lived this side, then I taught this side, and this time I go Allahpur, then mm, uh, I don't teach.
So do you want to teach again?
Yes sir.
That's good.
Yes sir.
So it is nice and nice to talk to you. You told very well, and I asked you so many questions. Okay, that was good, and best of luck for your future. And I believe that in future you can do very well. Still, you have more than 2 months time, near about 2 months, at least 50
Yes
will be
sir.
have.
Yes sir.
Definitely, you just keep on working, and in future you will be a good speaker. In 40 days, you learn so many things. and I believe you will do better. You keep on coming over here. I have started topic.
Yes.
Today was second topic, that was English and English. And next topic I'll give you tomorrow at NCT. You practice a lot, and topic will make you a good speaker. Okay. And if you don't practice on topic, you cannot go. That's why I want that you speak well and you practice on topic, and definitely you are going to be a good speaker in the future.
Yes.
If you study, if you work hard, if you won't work, then problem will be there.
Thanks, sir.
Okay.
Thanks.
जैसे कि आपने देखा, इनका नाम है अमित यादव और इनको आए हुए अभी 40 डेज हुए हैं, और 40 डेज में इन्होंने इतना कुछ सीखा। और जब ये शुरू में आए हुए थे तो इनको इंग्लिश बोलना नहीं आ रहा था, तो अभी ये इंग्लिश बोल ले रहे हैं। और इनका मैंने इंटरव्यू लिया, काफ़ी देर तक मैंने इनसे बातचीत की इंग्लिश में। आपने देखा कि सब बातें इन्होंने बताया भी आराम से। तो अगर आप भी चाहते हैं इंग्लिश को सीखना तो आप यहाँ पर आ सकते हैं। बिल्कुल सिक्योरिटी है कि आपको अंग्रेजी बोलना आ जाएगा जो है, ठीक है, कोई दिक्कत होगी नहीं। शुरू में जब ये आए थे बहुत दिक्कतें थी।
Yes, sir.
ओके। और अभी ये काफ़ी अच्छा कर रहे हैं।
Yes, sir.
अभी इनको 40 डेज कम्प्लीट किया है। अभी इनके पास मोर देन 50 डेज है।
Yes, sir.
और आने वाले समय में और मेहनत करेंगे तो और भी अच्छा करेंगे। यहाँ पर बिल्कुल नेचुरल तरीके से आपको सिखाया जाता है। जो है कोई चीज़ नहीं है कि मतलब आप आए वजह से के लिए, आप आओगे बिल्कुल शुरू से बिल्कुल धीरे धीरे आप अंग्रेजी बोलना सीखते हैं।
Yes, sir.
शुरू में जब ये आए थे बहुत सारी दिक्कतें थी, जो है धीरे धीरे इनको पढ़ाया गया जो है, और अब ये धीरे धीरे अच्छा कर रहे हैं। और अभी इनका टॉपिक शुरू कर दिया है और विश्वास है आने वाले कुछ दिनों में बहुत अच्छा करेंगे। ठीक है, तो
Yes, sir.
नाइस टॉक टू यू। ये मेरे को नाम प्लीज।
Thank you, sir.